Hello everyone, welcome to Shafi Tuts, and in this video I'm going to show you uh, how to get Google Play Store in your PC. Okay, so this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you'll learn how to do this. So I'm opening the Google Chrome, so you have to go Google Chrome browser, and after that you can see some dots. Simply click on dot, and you can see the Play Store. So click on that. Once you click on that, then you can see Google Play Store, so you can get all the apps here. So how you bring this thing in your home screen? So you can see there are three dots. Simply click on that, and then you can see save and share. So just uh, you can see the right side, create shortcut. Okay, so simply click create shortcut, Android app on Google Play Store. So you can see simply click create. Once you click create and then minimize this browser, and you can see this application is open. So if you click, then you'll get the Google Play. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.